Hello, my name is Emmanuel Prévinaire. I'm sorry not to be here with you. At the moment you will hear this message, I will be in Asia for demonstration of our SARA and the latest discovery system. But it's right now a good opportunity to talk about the benefit of using high precision GPS dual antenna solutions with a demonstration that took place around 2007, 2008. It was useful for flying simultaneously with several platforms using RTK code and monitor the relative position of each platform precisely and fly in synchronous flight. But the most important usability of those systems and the reliability of GPS, and in particular the Septentrio board, is in demonstrating city operation or where very high precision is requested. We have basically two major examples. One is for Game of Thrones, where the system was used with pre-programmed flight path requested by the client and to be able to fly at a very fast speed. So this was done with about 500 people on the set, and the precision of the flight was key to make sure we will not fly in an area that was not planned. And we also had to respect a very precise computer graphic imaging that was presented to us as the reference. So we had to import precision flight paths into our own graphic user interface and flight planning system in 3D, and then be able to reproduce exactly those flight paths. Then re-export those images with geotagging on each of them. So the precision of the geotagging allowed them later on to add in computer graphic image the dragon that was presented in that project. The second mission was for Mission Possible 6, where we flew in the city center of Paris, right in front of the Grand Palace. This building is just a glass building, and we had to cover two sides of this building. We did it with a photogrammetric camera, 50 megapixel, and the precision was also key to be able to cover this building with different angles, tilting up, tilting down, and on each corners. We managed to have about 1,000 images, all of them geotagged precisely to be able to reproduce a cloud point, a 3D cloud point, and meshing it later on. The precision is about 3 millimeter. We could also focus in, focus out in order to get every element of the building in focus with the resolution that was necessary. But the most important was the use of the Septentrio board with the dual antenna. As a matter of fact, when we switch on the system, we did switch on the system for the pre-flight at 7 a.m. in the morning. We witnessed that the magnetic field sensor, the one that is there for the compass, could sense the metro that was underground, and passing below the helicopter, while the helicopter is still sitting on the ground. And this would have been a no-go for the system if the dual GPS antenna system was not there. And so thanks to this heading solution we got and positioning, precise positioning, we could definitely take off up to the point we were in a safe site, so the magnetic field could still be usable, but at least when it was out of disturbance. So the only way for us to take off in that precise location was to use the Septentrio dual GPS antenna board. Again, the old flight, though we are in a city center close to a police station with wireless transmission all over the place, we witnessed a very clean signal from 7 a.m. in the morning to 10 a.m. We got a 3 hours time slot to achieve about 1,000 images. So the last example is for SNCF, but I leave Flavien Viguier, who is really the specialist promoting the use of drone for real professional industrial use, to explain what they did with the results and and how they did it. But again, in this occasion at Marseille train station, it was the best proof that where you have lots of RF disturbance, the dual GPS antenna RTK code is a very good way not only to achieve the data quality you want, but also to be safe and make sure you stay into the flight path that has been established and that is tightly set up for respecting those safety perimeters and flying perimeters. So I'm pleased that Flavien will be there to explain in more detail what exactly they did, and there is a video to show what we did there. So again, precision in the quality of the GPS signal, redundancy is really key for city operation, and whenever precision is required by the sensor itself. So okay, enjoy your meeting, your next meeting, and hope to see you soon. Thank you very much.